Hi everyone, myself Chandana. Today I am going to explain special constructor for activity models. First, we are discussing about what is activity model. Activity models and activity diagram shows the sequence of steps that make up a complex process such as an algorithm or workflow. Activity diagrams are most useful during the early stages of designing algorithms and workflows. Activity diagrams is a like traditional flowchart in that it shows the flow of control from step to step. And what activity diagrams notation? Start the top black circle. If condition first is true, go right. If condition is true, if second is true, go down. At first bar, a synchronization bar break apart to follow two parallel paths. At second bar, come together to proceed only when both parallel activities are done. Activity and oval trigger path existing an activity. Guard each trigger as a guard a logical expression that evaluates to true or false. Synchronization bar can break a trigger into multiple triggers operating in parallel or can join multiple triggers into one when all the complete. Decision diamond used to describe nested decisions. The first decision is indicated by an activity with multiple triggers coming out of it. There are special constructs for activity diagrams. There are three special constructors. These are sending and receiving signals, swim lanes, object flows. Let us discuss one by one. First one, sending and receiving signals. In these constructs, the UML shows the sending of a signal as a convex pentagon. When the preceding activity completes, the signal is sent, then the next activity is started. The UML shows the receiving of a signal as concave pentagon. When the processing activity completes, the receipt construct waits until the signal is received, then the next activity starts. This is the activity diagram with signals. First, execute boot sequence. Through network, it receives the confirmation. And second step, accept user login. After that, request validation is processed. And next step is wait for response. And the network is connect, receive confirmation is ready to execute. Second one, swim lanes. You can show partitioning with an activity diagram by dividing it into columns and lines. Each column is called a swim lanes by analogy to swimming pool. Placing an activity within a particular swim lane indicates that it is performed by a person or persons within the organization. Lines across swim lane boundaries indicate interaction among different organizations. This is the activity diagram with swim lanes. First, flight attendant, ground crews and catering. In flight attendant, clear trash is performed, that is sent to add fuel, and this connect to load food and drinks. Clear trash and load food and drinks, it both of connect to add fuel, that is ground crews. Object Third one is object flows. It is helpful to use see the relationship between an operations and the objects that are its argument values or results. An activity diagram can show objects that are input to or output from the activities. An input or output arrow implies a control flow. Therefore, it is unnecessary to draw a control flow arrow when there is an object flow. This is the activity diagram with object flow. Airplane at gate, leave gate. It connects to leave gate and this connect to airplane having, and this take off to airplane in flight, and this landing in airplane, taxiing at park at gate, and the airplane at gate. This is one link to another connectivity between the one object to another object. Thank you.